Hey guys, Snow here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. It's going to look like this.
Just give you some slime and you're happy, huh?
Yeah. So the things you're going to need are a bucket. I use this for this one.
There's a potato chip right here, left here on the table.
Sorry for the background noise. Depends if you want fluffy slime, you need shaving cream, glue, something to stay with.
It would definitely go in the refrigerator. It doesn't get that way.
So
We have chips out in there though that are, I don't know what day this is from.
Oh, you like barbecue chips?
yeah.
You want to take one for a snack?
Here, put
Oh,
this.
thank you.
She should probably take carrots for a snack.
Okay.
Who knows?
So you're gonna
There's
add your glue, however much
chips
you
out
want.
there too that are
I'm
open
only
already.
doing a little bit because I already made some. I'm going to show you guys this how to do things.
Jesus, man, I got slime all over this.
How?
Huh?
How?
No, well, you're using the table where people would use to. I thought you were coloring it.
I was. Oh, that's just from the tide. Okay, so the glue. I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream. Or try to. There's like none in here, man. Oh my gosh, you can feel there's some in here. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna stir a little bit of head in there. There's still some tide left, so it's time for one. And then I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of tide. Enough. And as you can see, it's already starting to form.
What's in the way?
So you're just gonna keep mixing until it starts to form, and then once it comes off the sides, you're gonna use your hands and go in. So there's not enough time, I don't think. I don't have enough. Okay, so that's that. And it's starting to come off the sides, so mine's stubborn because there's always some slime in here. So I'm just gonna try and put a tiny bit more tide because we don't have enough tide. Ah, okay, my tide's gone. Darn it. Okay. So that's probably good. I'm just gonna add this to my slime. Just a little bit because, yeah. We're just adding this in. It's slime pretty much. It's just really hard. Okay, my slime just got sticky. 1 sec. Okay, since I added that, and that was just pretty much glue. So now I just gotta knead the slime. You gotta knead really well. Make sure you knead really well. And when you added in the glue and the shaving cream, that would have been the time to add in the coloring. But if you did not, that's okay, because you can just add it in now. You have to be really careful though, because it's really hard to add in. So yeah, take it. I hope you enjoy this. I'm sticking everywhere. So I'm just gonna really quickly go through and get everything. Clean up everything. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed.
Tomorrow, what's in the other freezer, whatever, mine's going to be packed in another tote. I just